The BLACK+DECKER LHT2220 is a cordless hedge trimmer in the 20V Max family with a 22-inch steel blade. The Amazon page lists product-level details, blade length, reduced vibration, and that the kit includes a battery and charger in many listings, and notes that a newer 20V Max model exists in the same family. Check the product page for current offers and featured pricing from Amazon or third-party sellers. This particular tool is positioned as an easy, battery-powered solution for trimming hedges and shaping bushes without extension cords or gas. For homeowners, the main selling points are convenience and quiet operation compared with gas trimmers, a 22-inch steel blade for decent reach, and a torque design intended to handle overgrowth while minimizing vibration for user comfort. Many reviewers say the included battery is adequate for small to medium jobs, especially lighter maintenance trimming. Key features listed on the product page include power command power cut, improved cutting efficiency, reduced vibration for comfort, and the 22-inch blade length which balances reach and maneuverability for typical suburban hedges. Customer feedback tends to split by expectations. Reviewers who want an easy, low-maintenance, battery-powered trimmer for regular light trimming like the product's simplicity and ergonomics. Pros: cordless convenience, included battery charger options in kits, reasonable cutting length, reduced vibration. Cons: as with many battery tools, runtime on one charge is limited for heavy, continuous trimming. Users with very large or overgrown hedges sometimes prefer more powerful gas or corded models. For garden vloggers, this is a great demonstration tool. Show battery install, blade action, and explain runtime expectations. We share by links in description box.